Did you know two USB-C ports can look exactly the same, but do completely different things? One might only charge. Another might charge your laptop, transfer files fast, and connect to a monitor. That's why the symbols matter. SS means super speed, usually 5 gigabits per second. Numbers like 10, 20, or 40 show the maximum data speed. Older USB 2.0 is only 480 megabits per second, but speed and charging are different. For charging, look for PD, a battery icon, lightning symbol, or watt numbers like 60W or 100W. For monitors, look for DisplayPort or Thunderbolt. So don't judge USB-C by shape alone. Check the symbol. Same shape, different power. Subscribe for more useful tech explained simply.